Welcome to Edworking, the ultimate productivity app. Today, we'll show you how to use the task management feature to keep your tasks organized and under control. With Edworking, you can organize your way. Use the board view for a visual Kanban layout, or switch to list view for a simple overview. Each column represents a task state, like backlog, in progress, or completed. Just drag and drop cards to move work forward. Need to jot something down quickly? Use Quick Task. Just type the name, hit enter, and you're good to go. You can always add more details later. Creating a task is fast and flexible. Add a title, description, due date, assign teammates, set priority or tags, and attach any files you need. In the description, you can add to-do lists, use headings, bullet points, or rich text formatting to organize your notes and make your task details clear and actionable. Every task opens into a task view where you'll find all the task information together. Here, you can also see your subtasks and chat sections, everything in one place. Use subtasks to break work into smaller steps, and chat to communicate directly with your team. You could send messages, share files, post stories, or even start a video call right from the task, keeping all collaboration connected to your work. Keep everything organized with lists. Group tasks by sprint, milestone, or team, and easily create, rename, or reorder them as your workflow evolves. Focus on what matters using filters, grouping, and sorting. View tasks by assignee, due date, or tag, and reset anytime. Looking for something specific? Just start typing. The search instantly brings up the task you need. Plan with lists, execute with subtasks, and collaborate in one place with Edworking Task Management. Thanks for checking out the task management feature with us. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing advanced functionalities to help you get the most out of Edworking.